Hi there, Jason Hernandez here, chef for the National Mango Board. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're making grilled mango barbecue sauce. We're gonna utilize the mango cheeks. As you can see here, we're gonna season those up, nice good barbecue seasoning, place them on the grill, get a good char, good roast. Then we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients and make a delicious mango barbecue sauce. So stick with us, let's get started. All right, now that we're getting started, we have our mango cheeks here, we have our barbecue seasoning. We're just gonna place a little bit of seasoning over the cheeks. Again, this is gonna build flavor, give us a nice good char, good grill mark as we put these on the grill pan. So you can utilize a grill pan or your barbecue grill. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place these right on top. Hear the sizzle start to go. We're gonna sear these off. We'll check them in a few minutes. So as you can see, we're starting to get the caramelization, good char, good grill marks. Make sure as you continue to cook, continue to flip these over. You can see that great color coming through as we sear our grilled mango. All right, so as you can see, our mangoes look fantastic. Now it's time to start building the base of the barbecue sauce. So we have our oil, we're gonna place that in the pan, get that nice and hot. Next, we're gonna add our onions. So once the oil's hot, starting to sizzle, bubble a little bit, we're gonna place our onions in there. So we have some minced onions, place those in there, get a good little sizzle going. Mix those around just a little bit, start getting that cooking going, start getting that nice little saute. Next, we're gonna add in our minced garlic. So again, keep moving the pan around. You don't want it to stick or burn. Now we're gonna add in our ginger. Again, we're gonna mix that around. All these flavors are starting to build our grilled mango barbecue sauce. Now for the dry spices. Little red pepper flakes, some cumin, some salt, some pepper. Give that a quick little stir. That's gonna open up the flavors inside of our barbecue sauce. Next, we're gonna add in our lime juice. Next, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, just layering on more and more flavors here. And now honey. So what the honey's gonna do is kind of coat this, make it a little sticky, but build in those flavors and hold in that flavor of our mango barbecue sauce. Next, our brown sugar. So our brown sugar is gonna be the base of our mango barbecue sauce. Mix it up. So we have all of our grilled mangoes here. You can see a nice good char, good grill marks on there, great seasoning. We're gonna place those right into the sauce. What that's gonna do is start to infuse that flavor of the mangoes inside of the barbecue sauce. We're gonna bring that up to a nice little simmer, let that flavor infuse, then we're gonna blend it all together. So now we're gonna use our immersion blender, get inside of there, give it a couple quick little buzzes. What we're doing is breaking down that grilled mango. We're infusing all that flavor, all those grill marks, all of that into our grilled mango barbecue sauce. Now that we've finished blending, now we're gonna fold in just a little bit of traditional barbecue sauce. What that's gonna do is just add a little bit more bold flavor and a little bit of color to our grilled mango barbecue sauce. So we're just gonna fold that in, give it a little stir. Now it's ready to go on top of our grilled skewers. All right, now that our sauce is complete, we have our grilled mangoes inside of there, everything simmered together, built up that great flavor. Now we're ready to place it over our skewers. So what we're gonna do now is just take a nice big spoonful, drizzle it right over the top of our skewers. So we have some nice grilled chicken here. We have a nice veggie here. Again, infusing all those flavors, giving it a nice good coating of the grilled sauce there. And now our steak. So as you can see, flavor, color, texture, you can see all those spices have really built up in there. Excellent. Perfect, and there you have it, our grilled mango barbecue sauce over our roasted skewer. Again, thanks for tuning in. As you saw, we took our mangoes, seasoned them up, grilled them off, made a delicious mango barbecue sauce. Put them over our skewers. Now we have a great platter. Thanks for joining us. Again, if you need more inspiration, recipes, or menu ideas, visit mango.org.